I hope I got the cropping right this time. Well, back to Reassembly. This game. I guess I'm gonna pick up where I left off. I've noticed that all I've been doing this whole time so far is just like building these things. So I'm just gonna stop building for right now and just go with playing the game. You know, like playing the video game. Uh-oh, that's not fun. Whoa. Yeah, there's no way he's catching up to me. Oh god. What have I done? No, whatever. I'm saying, what the frick? I'm so fast. What the frick? I'm so fast. Why am I so fast? Ah! You just try and catch me. You can't catch this. You can't touch this. Ow. Oh god. Everything is fine. Terran don't shoot me regularly, right? Oh shoot, it's attacking me. I'm not here. Okay, you know what? Ow. This thing sucks to control. Oh! What are these particles? Oh! I just like... What? I just like flew through an asteroid or something. I love how I fly so fast that like I don't even... I'm just super fast. You know what? This is fine. I'm gonna look for a station. Oh shoot, that's missiles. Those are missiles. Yeah, whatever, they can't catch up to me. Oh! Where am I? This vehicle disgusts me. Yeah, I'm just gonna maneuver carefully around that. Ow. What have I done? Go! Spin away! This thing is too fast. I just... Oh! Oh! Oh no. Oh my god, it takes so long to respawn. No! Why am I respawning back here? Alright. You know what? I'm gonna go over to that one. Okay, that was the weirdest dodge I think I've ever done. Ugh, get away from me. Ew, get away. Ah, he's faster than me. How is this possible? Oh! It's totally fine. Just activate the station. It's gonna be fine. Oh yeah, and it's a big one too. Come here! Oh! Oh yeah, come on. Come on. Oh, that's an agent. That's an agent fleet. That's an agent fleet. This is an agent fleet. Ow. I'm scared. Hide me. Oh. Ow. I can't move. I can't stop moving. Wait. Maybe I'll stop now. Oh, that's disgusting. I don't even need to click any buttons. I could just go forward. That's it. You're coming with me. You there. Get out of here. I love how my first method of dealing with missiles is to just fire everything in every direction. Oh. Actually, I kind of want to hit that. I want to hit that thing. Ow, never mind. Ow. No. Oh. What are these things? Ooh. I can't. Oh my god. It's okay. I'm safe in here. I'm very safe. Here. Wait. This isn't what I wanted to. Hey, at least this star is normal. Oh my god. Is it about to chew up that asteroid? I want to go back. I want to to watch that. I want to watch that again. I want to watch this. Surprisingly, no. Surprisingly, it's fine. Is it gonna eat it at all? This is a DLC, by the way. I forgot to mention that. This vehicle is so disgusting. I hate it. Ooh. If I slam into an asteroid too hard, do you think I'll die? Like the last time. Whoa! What? Did I just die on impact? I hit that man so hard it ripped my hull apart. Why is the station closer now? Station, are you okay, station? I don't think the station's okay. Wait, no. Okay. Alright. Okay. This is not good. This isn't good. Oh! Oh. I'm good. I'm good. What faction am I again? Ow. Oh yeah, there's another one. Yeah, let's gang up on him. Let's gang up on him. This is the dumbest. Ow. What, now you just running away? You started the fight, dude. Wow. I'm out of here. I'm a better spinner than him. Wait, I just realized there's a station over there. That's gotta be just me plain impacting. Which is insane, because this faction doesn't have any ramming blocks. I'm hiding inside of him. Help! I'm stuck! This is a horrible idea! I'm stuck inside of him! No! Get me out of here! Wait a second. I just had like a really, really good idea. What if I just moved the station around as, like, what if I acted as the station's portable thruster? And then I just have, like, this big shell around me. Ah! It's like, I'm so fast, right? I get so much of a run-up. And then the very second I hit an asteroid, it just all falls apart. Oh, that, on them. Thank God for the map. Whoa! Oh, that's a station. Oh, that's a very bad man. That's a very, very bad man. I'm good. I'm good. Ow. No, don't go in my way. Ow. This thing is disgusting. I just... Ooh. Wait, I just realized. Okay. So this is going to be really, really hard to go capture. Ow. In fact, I'm not going to capture that at all. I want to see what this is. Spatial anomaly connects the parallel universes. Objects entering the wormhole travel to all universes simultaneously, splitting into innumerable quantum states. You may only experience one universe at a time. Where would you like to go? I'm going to stay here. Uh-oh. That's a bug. Oh, shoot. I really hope the, creator of the game fixes that bug. Or whoever's working on this game. I actually really like this game, and I would like to see something else. Like a new... Okay, as I was saying... Like a new Reassembly, maybe. Although I feel like the guy who made the game has a lot on his plate. Like a lot on his plate. No! Come back! Okay, cool. Oh boy. That's terrifying. Why? Why are there more? Oh my god, they're sending rockets after me. No, not again. Ow. Oh! What is this? Oh yeah, it's the slow zone. That thing. You don't want to get hit by me. Like, that's the thing. You don't want to trifle with this. Ow. Ow. You got sent into next Wednesday. Oh. Oh god, what a spin. He spun right back into that. There's just like a random thruster chasing me. Come back! Oh my god, I need to upgrade already. Bigger defense laser. And drones, because why not? Okay, look, I know I said I was gonna do gameplay more, but I just have to build a new ship. I just have to. Oh no. It's too expensive. That sucked. Oh well, might as well go full. This is it. The newest ship. It is a little bit too expensive. And frankly, its shielding kind of sucks. But I do appreciate the work that I put into it. Yada yada yada. Okay, well, I'm just gonna test this now. This thing is so slow. It's built like a bean. Whoa, it's actually getting really fat. Okay, screw this. Screw this whole thing. It sucks. I'm gonna make a new ship. Okay, this one needs a really good name. Like an actually cheeseburger. Okay, this time I'm not playing any games. Cheeseburger. The Legend of Cheeseburger. Are those supposed to be drones? That's a lot of drones. That's actually a lot of drones. Okay, that is a lot of... Oh my god. It didn't stand a chance. Uh-oh. Well, that's not good. Run! Run away! It's actually doing really good. How is it? Okay, hold on. Let me just get out of... Why is it actually somewhat doing... Never mind. It's dead. So, okay, so I've learned a couple of things about this monstrosity. First off, I'd rather it be backwards. So that means just grabbing this and flipping it the other way. Same thing with these, just grab it and then flip it the opposite direction. And then the second thing I need is for it to just kite, just run away. I also need these two to be on point defense duty. I'm just gonna use only drones. Okay, first test. It's actually not doing too bad. In fact, I kind of find it horrifying how well it's doing. It's literally ripping it apart. Okay. Now, okay, this is the faction that screwed it over last time. I want to see what it does now. Or I guess it's a sub-faction. It's more like agents. That's what they're called, I guess. I mean, it's doing okay for itself, all things considered. Its point defense drones are actually doing the work. Look at all of those drones. No, they're screwed. Oh my god, just like looking up swarming over there. Ooh, one of them's coming close. What is that? Never mind, it's dead now. It actually won. I just realized, what's it like to listen to all these drones fire at once? Oh, battle nurse. This poor thing. Oh my god. Look at them all. It's just a wave of green. I love how they just form like this phalanx. Or like this line. Fly faster backwards, why don't you? What? We actually got through the armor? I love how this ship entirely centers around shields. Like, their entire ship is dependent on that shield just staying up. It won! It won every single one of its fights. That's awesome. And it did it without any weaponry whatsoever. Oh, except for these things. Saving cheeseburger. You know what? Just for the lulz, since I copy-pasted Shambu a bunch of times, I'm gonna do this. Oh god, I hate the green. I'm just so done with it. Ugh, stop. There we go. Now my audience can actually see. But now it looks like boogers. They have like the same coloring as boogers do. It's like a yellowish green. It's like a half hardened booger, kinda. Right, I need 500 additional P. I'll just keep that beeping. Here, you know what? I'm just gonna kamikaze into it. Okay, that worked. Where's Ra? Yes. No! Why this place? Okay, frick no. Brother. No! Oh my god. Oh my god. Am I really gonna be spawn camped by a freaking star? Come on. Oh my god. Note to self, look for somewhere else to spawn, because frick that place. That was dumpster. This is good. Swapping to raw. Cool, now now all I have to do is just sit here. Thank God for station protection. Okay, you know what, clearly I need to build a resource ship. Okay, I should give this one also a pretty good name. You know, I'm just gonna save you the effort. I mean, it really is like printing my own money. What can I say? It sucks, but in a cool way. Oh yeah, look at me print the money now. No, don't push the ship into me. He's pushing the station into me. You monster. Ow. There we go. Stop pushing. Stop. No, he's attached to me now. Get off me. He's eating me. Ow. There we go. Come on, that's gotta be enough, right? Oh, I gotta get 201 more P. Jesus, what the? No, get away! Go away. Get off me. What the heck? You bully. Finally have enough. Yeah. Alright, get me out of this. Okay, that's not exactly what I wanted. Okay. Alright. There we go. Here, hold on. Let me go test it on that guy over there. Turning this thing is horrible. This thing sucks at forward movement. Yeah, so this thing can enjoy, these drones. Just a little bit of drones. 185 drones. God. I gotta fix that. I gotta fix that speed. Speed is killing me, man. That's a little better. Ooh, what's that? Whatever it is, it's probably gonna be dead now. Oh no, he's got PD. Uh-oh, he's coming for me now. Not that that's like a threat or anything, but I should probably just leave him alone. Yeah, I'll just do that. Alright, okay. I've had enough of regular gameplay. I want to test something. Okay, okay. You know what? Never mind. I'm just gonna not talk about what I'm just gonna show and not tell because I have no idea what I'm doing. What is this? The maw? The amount of drones. Alright, okay. Now that that's... Okay, I'm done with that. Now I'm gonna test something else. I have... Okay, this is an actual theory. Theory time. Like, actual theory time. What is that? Is that a mod? Oh no. Why is there a mod? Oh no. I corrupted that game's... Oh no. Okay, there you go. So now I'm gonna test something. I'm gonna go back to testing. Yeah, okay, the Warples are gone. My theory is... Well, let me just pick a random color. I don't know. My theory is that if I just turn the galaxy size down to 10... Oh my god. Oh my god. What is... Okay, so what's gonna happen now? Okay, first off, I'm slow. My game is slow. Okay, that's a noise. Oh my god. Wait, hold on. I need to fly over there. No. What is happening? Oh my god, it's hell out here. It's chaos. What is that? Ah! So many sounds. I'm getting free money. It's like an all-out war. The chaos. What is happening? I just like... What is that thing? I can't fly through this. There's no way. I'm not gonna be able to fly through this. What is that? The sound is so broken. It just keeps stop. It keeps giving me points. Oh my god. Just watching them all eat each other is insane. What is that one doing? It's like crafting a cocoon or something. Oh. Oh god. They're like all destroying themselves. What is that? Whoa, 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 whoa! I have 12,000 credits just from observing. This is Blade. These are Blade. I don't like them. What the frig? Oh god. What have I done? What have I done? I've activated them. Ah! What is it about to... Oh! That's so cool. It like it just ran into him. Oh, that... Okay. That's much better. And much scarier. In fact, I don't think I've seen anything more scary in this video game than that. This is like how to speedrun every single faction in the game. Hey look, regular factions. Never mind, these are not regular factions. These are definitely not regular factions. That is God, the spaceship right there. And I'm terrified. Get me out of here. I love how they're so occupied with, like, themselves and fighting amongst each other that they don't even realize I'm here. Well, except for that guy. That guy knows I'm here. But that's not the point. Uh-oh. It's very bad. I'm spinning. This is cancer, dude. What is this? Ow. Oh. Okay. Next episode, I'm gonna install a couple of mods. Just a few. Not too many. But until then, I think I'm done recording for the day. Done recording.